I wasn't always overweight. After my second child, the weight stuck. I tried keto, fasting, HIIT. I did everything. Nothing worked. What hurt most wasn't the weight. It was the constant mental battle. Hunger, shame, guilt. Repeat. Then one day, my GP asked me, "Have you heard of Ozempic?" I had. I thought it was just for diabetes. Turns out, it's also being used under medical supervision for weight loss. The drug? Semaglutide. Brand names? Ozempic, Rybelsus, Wegovy. It's one of the most talked about drugs in the world right now, for a reason. My doctor explained the risks. I agreed to try it. First 2 weeks? Nausea, low appetite, some headaches. But for the first time in years, I wasn't fighting food all day. 6 months in, I've lost 14 kilo. I eat slower. I walk every day. I feel human again. No, it's not a miracle. It's not for everyone. But for me, Ozempic was the tool I needed, alongside real GP care.